What's going on, everybody? I just wanted to share some uh, the script writer that is within Builderall. Basically, Builderall has the ability to generate scripts. So if you struggle like I do as far as writing your scripts, you can actually go in and create an avatar and actually generate scripts based on some simple information that you fill out within your avatar. So I just wanted to do a quick overview of this script generator, and kind of go over what it can do for you. So I've already created an avatar, but if you clicked on the new avatar, basically you would go through each one of these steps and fill it out. Simply, answer any of the questions that might be in there. So for these purposes, I'm going to go to my actual avatar and just kind of show an example of the live avatar. So I'm going to go here, and then basically I've gone through, and each one of these steps I've filled out the information. So you can see here, what is the #1 pain point you want to avoid? So you just fill that out here. So it looks like I need to update that. Okay, so again, basically you just update that information, add it in there. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and update. And then I'm going to go ahead and go to generate script now that I've created my actual avatar. So there's tons and tons of different solutions for you in here. So say I want to choose the niche of internet marketing. So that's kind of what I'm in. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to internet marketing. Say I want to create a webinar. On this webinar, I'm going to go here. And actually, let's go to advertising scripts. So let's go here. So say I want to do pay-per-click ads. So I'm going to go ahead and go here. And this script generator is actually going to generate scripts for you. They might not be perfect, but again, it's based on your avatar. So in your avatar, you're going to include your link. So again, you can see here, it gives you your headline. Do you struggle to make money online and grow your business? Bam, look at that. You already have an ad made up for you. So again, read over them and double check to make sure that everything makes sense when you're in there. But and then you can always add more to it too as well. So you can go here, you go problem framework. So let's go ahead. I want to add that in there. So that's going to be at the bottom of the deal here. So let's go ahead and create another script. Let's see here. We're going to go to internet marketing again. And for this one, let's say we want email scripts. Let's do a follow-up email, for example. Let's see here. Okay, product launch 4-part series. So say you created a funnel or something like that you're interested in, in advertising, you can always go here. So you click here. And bam, look at this. Email 1. The purpose of the email is to get the reader to click on. Okay, so subject, warning, this email contains information you must see. Look at that. Created this entire email for you. And again, in your avatar, you're going to put your link in there. So whatever link might be, you just go in there and push it. So you see here, email 3, subject. Are you still interested? Look at this. Just fills it all out for you. How awesome is this? And again, you can just update it to whatever you want it to be. So, if you want to change something on there, you can as well. All right, let's go here and, again, we can do story emails. Let's click this one, see what this is about. Actually, since we're all in affiliate marketing, let's go here. Generate affiliate marketing. Headline scripts. Actually, let's do another email script. See what we got. So we kind of went over that already. Affiliate marketing, niche scripts, cold call, affiliate. Bam, let's look at this. This is what it says here. So again, I've already filled out my avatar, so it's based on this. So look at this. Gives you what you need in here, okay? So again, you can add different sections if you want. so you can save the script to your templates. Oh, test. Okay. All right. So I've saved that one. So then what we can do is, add different pieces. So if you want a different headline, attention, affiliate marketing. So again, it's down here. Okay. So then you can just update that in your email. Again, let's do another script here. Affiliate marketing. Let's look at this one. See what else we got here. So headline scripts. So we can do email subject scripts. Again, this is based on my avatar that I've created. So look at this. Tons of different email subjects that you can utilize in there. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and put the link to Builderall within the chat box here. And basically, you can go in there. 7-day free trial. You can check it out. I can go in and show you how to utilize this script generator. But basically, when you're in your back office, you're going to click on the Builderall business, and you're going to click on the apps, and then you're going to click on the script generator, and it's going to take you right here. So again, I'm going to drop the link into the chat box here. Again, 7-day free trial, and then after that, it's only $29.90 a month for a script generator. That alone, with our competitor, is $195 a month, I believe. Not to mention, you get 57 other tools within Builderall that are phenomenal. You got Facebook integrations, you got social proof. So social proof is going to be, for example, this here. So again, down here, the social proof right here. So that's the social proof piece. Again, just showing you a little bit about the script generator on here. And I'm going to give you the 7-day free trial link. Okay. Copy. All right, I'm going to drop it in the chat box here. There you go. So you get a 7-day free trial. You can check it out, and again, I can help you with any script generator, but the first step when you're in here is to go to your apps, go to script generator, and then fill out your avatar. Again, if you weren't here at the beginning of the live, basically you click on your new avatar and go in here and simply answer all of these questions, and then it just generates your scripts for you. So again, we can say, check our save templates, which I just did earlier. So again, the link's right in there. 7-day free trial, Builderall. And there's a lot more to it than just the script generator, but that is one that I just wanted to show you. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for your time.